Hello everyone. Today in this module we will discuss about journal entries on issue of shares. As you all know, shares can be issued for cash or for consideration other than cash. Like when you buy a machinery, instead of making payment in cash, you may issue shares to the vendor. That means here shares are issued for consideration other than cash. In this chapter, we will study about first issue of shares for cash. Shares can be issued at par or shares can be issued at premium. When shares are issued at their face value, then it is issue at par. But when shares are issued at a price which is more than their face value, then it is issue of shares at a premium. Again, whether the shares are issued at par or whether they are issued at premium, amount may be called up in lump sum or amount may be called up in installments. So, we will discuss all these points one by one. First one is issue of shares for cash at par and amount payable in lump sum. That means whole of the amount will be called up in one installment. Then we will pass on these two entries. First, when you receive the money, bank account debit to share application and allotment account, and when the company will decide to allot them the shares, and when the company will decide if the condition of minimum subscription has been met, then at that time the company will pass this entry, this application and allotment money, that will be transferred to the share capital account. So these two entries will be passed. Bank account debit to share application and allotment, share application and allotment account debit to share capital. For example, AB Limited invited applications for issuing 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each at par. The whole amount was payable on application and the issue was fully subscribed, and you are required to pass necessary journal entries. So, this amount of rupees 100 on each share, that has been called up in lump sum. So, when you will receive this money, what entry will you pass? Bank account debit to share application and allotment. How many shares were subscribed by the public? 10,000. And how much money they are paying? At the rate rupees 100 per share. So total amount received by the company will be 10 lakh. And when the company will decide to allot them the shares, when the company will send them the letters of allotment, then company will transfer this money into the share capital account. So your entry will be share application and allotment account debit to share capital account. Our next point is issue of shares for cash at premium and amount payable in lump sum. The first entry will be same. As soon as you receive the application money, what entry will you pass? Bank account debit to share application and allotment account. And when you will decide to send the letters of allotment to the shareholders, to the applicants, then at that time this money will be transferred to share capital. But here, along with capital, we are receiving premium. So the amount corresponding to the premium, that will be transferred to a separate account. Securities, premium, reserve account. So your entry will be share application and allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium reserve account. Now let us take an example for the same question. Like here, the company invited applications for 10,000 shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 20 per share. And the whole amount was payable on application. The issue was fully subscribed, past necessary journal entries. So, what amount has been received by you? 120 per share. On how many shares? 10,000. So, total amount received by the company will be 12 lakh. Bank account debit to share application and allotment account. Then, when the shares will be allotted, this entry will be passed. Share application and allotment account debit to share capital to securities premium reserve account. How much amount will be transferred to securities premium? At the rate rupees 20 on how many shares? As the issue was fully subscribed. So 10,000 shares at the rate rupees 20. Total amount of securities premium reserve will be 2 lakh. Next is your issue of shares for cash at par and the amount payable in installment. Then the first installment, that will be referred to as the application. Second installment will be allotment, and afterwards, whatever installment will be there, the call word will be suffixed with them. Like we have only one more installment, then what we will call that installment? First and final call. And in case two more installments are there, then the first one will be called as the first call and the last one will be called as the second and final call. This is how the installments will be named. So, when you receive application money, what entry will you pass? First installment is your application. So, your entry will be bank account debit to share application account. And when the shares will be allotted, this application money, as it is a part of share capital, so it will be transferred to the share capital. Share application account debit to share capital. Then allotment, you will call allotment money from the shareholders. So as soon as the allotment becomes due, what entry will you pass? Share allotment account debit to share capital account. And when you will receive the allotment money, what entry will you pass? Bank account debit to share allotment account. Then you will call the next installment. Entry will be share first call account debit to share capital account. And as soon as you receive, what entry will you pass? Bank account debit to share first call account. This is how you will pass the entry when the amount is called in installments. Let us take an example. Pawan Limited invited applications for 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each. Payments were to be made as follows. Rupees 3 on application, 3 on allotment, 2 on first call, 2 on final call. All the shares were applied. That means how many applications you have received? 30,000. You are required to prepare journal or you are required to pass journal entries. Share issue expenses amounted to rupees 8,000. So, our first entry will be as soon as you receive the application, how much amount will you receive? 30,000 multiplied by 3, 90,000. So, your first entry will be bank account debit to share application account. And as soon as you allot the shares to the applicants, entry will be share application account debit to share capital. This 90,000 will be transferred to the capital. Then you will call allotment money from them. What will be your entry? Share allotment account debit to share capital and the amount will be 30,000 multiplied by 3. Share allotment account debit to share capital. Then at the time of receiving, bank account debit to share allotment account. For the next installment, share first call account debit to share capital. What is the rate of next installment? ₹2 per share. So the amount received will be 30,000 multiplied by 2, 60,000. And when you will receive this money, bank account debit to share first call, this will be 60,000. Then you will call next installment, share second and final call account debit to share capital account. And last one, at the time of receiving, bank account debit to share second and final call account. Then one more entry you have to pass for the share issue expenses. These are given to be 8,000. So you will pass on this entry. Share issue expenses account debit to bank account 8,000. Then at the year end, you will write off these expenses from the capital profits, if any, given in the question. And in case these are no capital profits are there, then this will be written off from the statement of profit and loss. Next one is issue of shares for cash at premium and amount payable in installments. Then how will you pass the entry for this premium part? So if the premium is included in application, then at the time of transfer of application money, the amount corresponding to premium, will you transfer that amount to share capital? No, as it belongs to premium. It will be transferred to securities premium reserve account, and the part related to capital, that will be transferred to share capital. So this entry you will pass. Earlier we were passing the entry share application account debit to share capital. Now along with capital there is premium also. So what will be your entry? Share application account debit to share capital account to securities premium reserve account. If premium is included in allotment, then as soon as the allotment becomes due regarding the capital, it also becomes due in respect of securities premium. So your entry will be share allotment account debit to share capital account. By mistake I have written application. It should be allotment. Share allotment account debit to share capital account to securities premium reserve account. Now sometimes you will be given the amount of installments without specifying premium is included in which installment. Then what you will assume? That premium is included in allotment. If it is not specified which installment includes the premium, then we will assume it to be included in allotment. Now again, let us discuss one practical question. Pawan Limited invited applications for 30,000 shares of ₹10 each at a premium of ₹2 per share. Payments were to be made as follows. ₹4 on application, including premium of ₹1, ₹4 on allotment, including premium of ₹1, 2 on first call and 2 on final call. All the shares were applied. You are required to pass the journal entries. Share issue expenses are also given. So first entry will be how much you will receive on application at the rate ₹4. Bank account debit to share application 30,000 multiplied by 4. What amount will you receive? 1,20,000. Then out of this ₹1,20,000, the amount belonging to premium will be transferred to securities premium and rest will be transferred to the share capital. Entry will be share application account debit to share capital to securities premium reserve account. So capital at the rate ₹3 on 30,000 share. So amount will be 90,000. And how much premium is called along with the application? 1. On how many shares? 30,000. So 1 multiplied by 30,000, it will be 30,000. Same way, you will pass the entry for allotment. Share allotment account debit to share capital to securities premium reserve account. Entry will be 1,20,000, capital at the rate ₹3, 90,000, premium at the rate ₹1, 30,000. Next, bank account debit to share allotment account. Then you will pass the entry for first call and the final call. And in the last, you will pass entry for share issue expenses. This is how you can pass simple journal entries at the time of issue of shares for cash. That may be at par, that may be at premium. Amount may be called in lump sum, amount may be called up in installments. That's all for the day. Thank you. Good day to all of you.